Aviation, November 19520, weather observation. Winds 130 at 6, visibility 9, sky clear, temperature 05, dew point -02, altimeter 3033. On runway 16, approaching use, landing and departing runways 16 and runway 12. Advise on this contact, you have information, November.
Executive Tower, Skylink 2441 X-ray at Hangar 11, VFR Northwest, departure with November.
This is 2441 X-ray, executive ground, runway 16, via Delta, Yankee Lima, cross runway 12, and say again, VFR direction of flight.
Northwest departure, and 401 X-ray, runway 16, we're at Delta, Yankee Lima, and clear to cross runway 12 anyway. 41 X-ray.
Alright, my brakes are good. You are PIC. I'm just your passenger.
Yeah. My brakes good.
Oh, let's do it.
Okay. And then another thing I need to know is, am I center right now?
Yes, you're dead center.
Okay.
Yeah, looking good. Alright, perfect. Right, we are here. Alrighty. Alright, so we are gonna do our run up, and then we're also gonna test our propeller like that, okay? So alright, so when we pull this out, we're going to look for a drop, rise. Okay, so if we're pulling oil, when we go out, we're going to fill the propeller hub with oil. That means we should be sending our oil elsewhere.
Yeah.
So we should see a drop here, okay? And now when we do that, we should also see a drop in RPM and a rise in manifold pressure. Push it forward. Alright, so now we're going to do our, we're going to cycle our propeller. Alright, so it's going to be drop, rise. We're going to start at the bottom and go up. Alright, so I'll just do the first one.
Real quick, or?
Yeah, so yeah, that's why I'm doing the first one so you see like how it goes.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going out and then in. And then you look there. Alright, so go ahead and do the others.
Out and in.
There you go, and then you saw a drop. Now you want to do it one more time for the top one. There you go, you saw it rise.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, drop, rise. Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay. Rotated 59.
Yeah, so 60 you could call it.
Yeah. Rotated 60. Flat mount, we're going to use
80.
80, okay. Flaps, do we do no flaps or 10?
No flaps.
No flaps?
At 1,000 feet above, we pitch for a cruise climb, and the cruise climb is going to be 23 inches of manifold pressure, 2,400 RPM. And I want you to see that transition. All right, let's do it.
Okay. Executive Tower, Skylink 2441 X-ray, ready at runway 16.
Skylink 2441 X-ray to the tower, right to approve, runway 16, let's take off.
Right on approve, 16 clear to take off, 416 X-ray. 16, action, and just
like your 172, keep going, keep going. Alright, very good. Got 9 gauges, we're all good.
Speed alive.
Class 5, 4 November, go.
Trade at 50, 60.
Your arrival, continue.
Continue, 4 November, go. And
EZ05, executive tower, runway 16, line up and wait. Cessna, inside of a mile, landing runway 12. Additional traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Outside of 3 for 16.
Really can't see anything.
Oh. Alright, go ahead and start your turn.
715 on the rollout, no delays through the 16 intersection. Traffic is a King Air holding on 16, waiting to depart. EZ05, begin your turn within 1/2 mile.
Okay, so you're passing 1,000 feet above, so start pitching forward for about 95 knots. Hold the manifold pressure to 23.
Take off and we'll be
23.
And I believe he said half mile.
Confirm.
E05.
95 knots.
Alright, perfect, go wings level.
Okay.
And now start twisting your propeller out. It's not much, but just to 24. That's it. That's good, that's good. Go more in. It's not much. It's a little twist.
Okay.
715, taxi via Bravo.
Alright, good.
Okay, 200.
Alright, turn us a little bit more left. There you go, that's your cruise climb. That's what you do, okay?
Okay.
The beautiful thing about that governor when you do these little climbs and descents, you don't need to add or take power out.
Oh, yep. It's really powerful.
Yeah, I mean, we're going 130, happy.
Huh? Yeah.
And then just go ahead to your cowl flaps and go ahead and just close them. And you'll watch your true airspeed start going a little bit quicker. There it goes.
Yeah.
So, if you want to add power, you go this in first, then that, okay?
Yeah.
And then the opposite for if you want to pull power out.
Yeah. Yeah, blue never over black.
Right.
Yeah. We always do like the RPM like 23, 24, 2300.
Yeah. You could, I mean, you could do like a 20 and 21 mixture if you want. You just go a little slower, but you'll have better fuel burn. It really is depending on what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Like, we'll go in the POH and pull up the performance chart. And then from there, we'll figure that out.
Yeah, I was reading that.
Janesville, Southern Wisconsin Regional Airport. Information, Echo 1945 Zulu. Wind 140 at 10. Visibility 10. Ceiling 15,000 broken. Temperature 5. Dew point -2. Altimeter 3029er. Visual approach, runway 14 use. Landing and departing, runway 14. As is weather information air minutes available on high WASP or flight service frequencies. VFR departures, advise ground control of your direction of flight. All arrivals, contact tower at least 7 nautical miles from the airport. Advise on initial contact, you have information Echo.
Alright, do your forward landing checks.
It's like descent.
Yeah, descent.
Flap close. It is closed.
Okay.
Flaps. Oh, before landing, seatbelt. Good. Well disposed. Reach on high.
So, yeah, just slowly push that in. Like, sit, twist it to the right.
24.
Yep, let's go full forward. You can just leave that there for now, and then the closer you get, go more. But pull the manifold pressure back. To 20. There you go.
It's 41 X-ray. Just want to confirm if it's a left downwind or right downwind.
41 X-ray. If you're inbound from the east, it's a left downwind. Report midfield.
Right.
Okay, left downwind. Report midfield. 41 X-ray.
Oh, so the plane down did send down. So we're coming in really fast. So now we'll slowly walk the prop all the way in. Pull the power even more. Yep, out. Get down to 1800.
RPM?
Nope, that's it. So these are all in. That's it for landing. They're good. Okay.
Central Tower 484 Echo Romeo is going there.
November 41 X-ray. What's your direction and distance from the field now?
You're 2 to the east.
2 to the east. 41 X-ray.
1 X-ray traffic is a Cessna just over the approach end of 4. They'll be heading eastbound.
Roger, looking for traffic. 41 X-ray.
I got traffic 2 miles to the east of the field inbound.
Oh, there's your runway. Set to your downwind.
Traffic 484 Echo Romeo.
Start slowing the plane down even more.
1 X-ray, that traffic directly over the middle of the field now. Let me know when you see her.
Traffic inside. 41 X-ray.
I got 2 at once. 41 X-ray, do you see the traffic directly over the top?
Traffic set.
Traffic inside. 41 X-ray.
1 X-ray, maintain visual with that traffic. 4 Echo Romeo, do you see your traffic?
We've got the traffic 484 Echo Romeo.
4 Echo Romeo, contact departure. Advise them you have the traffic in sight.
Contacting departure 484 Echo Romeo.
Okay. We're just going to go under that. Okay. Slow the plane down just a little bit more.
You're now number 2, runway 14. You found traffic. Turn on final.
Okay, number 2, behind the traffic corner, actually.
Turning on final, number 2.
The 750, say parking.
750.
Alright, you got the plane. Fine.
750, 2 right turns.
Okay, 20.
Directional flight.
14, 2 right turns, and we're going to be close traffic.
We're kind of low in this pattern, so just stay level here. We just did that because of that plane. There's our traffic. You can say you have the traffic on final set.
I have a traffic on final inside. 41 X-ray.
41 X-ray, follow that traffic. Number 2, runway 14, clear to land.
Number 2, 14, clear to land. 41 X-ray.
Alright, power to 12 inches.
Power to 12.
We'll just do 12. Below 140. Alright, that's good right there. Below 140, flaps 10. And then just pitch down, we're looking for 95.
Janesville Tower, Cessna 1.
And start your base.
X-ray holding short runway 14, ready for departure.
Start your base, because we're low, so we gotta fly this a little tighter. Alright, flaps 20. I'm gonna turn this down.
Hold short 172 Hotel X-ray.
Alright. Cool. Going level, so just make your normal landing, normal approach. Looking for 85 here. 85. 85. And then you can go full flaps, sure. We're high. Yep. Now we're looking for 75, turning final.
November 0202, right turns, taxi to runway 14.
2 right turns to 14020.
Just pull some more power out, we're still high. Just pull more out. Break it down there. Good. Cool. Alright, power's looking good. Power's like, I would just pull maybe a little bit more out, because we'll just hit the numbers. Oh, okay. Cool. Alright. Nose down just a little bit more. And then start your flare and pull the rest of the power out. Yes. Flaps up. Okay, we'll take, how about 2?
November, say parking.
Not available.
41 X-ray.
41 X-ray, you staying in the pad or you're departing?
Oh, we're departing to the east.
Oh, we're departing to the east. 41 X-ray.
41 X-ray, 2 right turns, taxi to runway 14.
2 right turn, taxi to runway 14. 41 X-ray.
Cessna 2
Alright, cool.
Make left traffic, runway 14, cliff takeoff.
That's a lot of work. Alright, 2 right turns. It's 1 by 10 here. Alright, so we'll just stop once you clear, run our after landing checklist. Yeah. Sure. After landing, tail flaps open. Back, make sure lean. Responder, it'll take care of. Cool. Light, I'm good. Good. Landing is this one go to 24. That goes all the way in.
All the way in.
Yeah, all the way in.
All the way in. All the way in. All the way in. And this go to 12.
Yeah.
12 at first, and then adjust as needed. Yeah. 12 first. Slow down. Below 140 and first hatch. Yeah. For 120 is the
below 120 you can go 20 degrees. Below 100 you can go full.
30 follow Cessna and left traffic, runway 14, cliff takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, left traffic, runway 14, follow step.
Janesville Tower, 41 X-ray ready and runway 14.
November 41 X-ray east departure, runway 14, cliff takeoff.
14 click to take off, 41 X-ray.
Awesome, so let's go.
Before takeoff. I think good.
Alright, good job.
Rotate. Wow, it's heavy.
A little bit. Keep that nose coming up.
Janesville Tower, 68750, coming up on left base, runway 14.
Good comment.
750, you're still following the Cessna.
750 has Cessna in sight.
The biggest thing in this plane is pre-flight, or thinking ahead, slowing the plane down with plenty of time. That's really my biggest advice, is really get ahead of it. Get your plane slowed down nice and early so you're not getting behind the aircraft.
Okay.
On initial contact, you have information, Oscar.
Cessna 4 Uniform Foxtrot, runway 16, line up and await.
Chicago Executive Airport Information, Oscar. 205 Zulu, weather observation. Wind 1206, visibility 9er. Sky clear, temperature 5, dew point -3, altimeter 3031. RNAV, runway 16 approaching you, sliding in a party, runway 16 and runway 12. Advise, on initial contact, you have information, Oscar.
Executive Towers, Skylane 2441 X-ray, over Lake Zurich inbound with Oscar.
Skylane 2441 X-ray, Executive Tower ident.
Ident 41 X-ray.
Skylane 41 X-ray, ident observed. 12 miles northwest of the field. Make sure it didn't runway 16.
Straight in 16, 41 X-ray.
Alright, I got the gun sight. Just to the left, no factor.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, seatbelt, good. Fuse selector bolt. Yeah, I got it. Airport in sight. Sure, Ridge. Swan is as required.
As we get closer, twist that in.
Twist that into full. Okay. And cal flap is closed. Good, both in, okay. Alright, that's required.
Oh man. A lot of stuff going on right there.
4 Uniform Fox, Kilo 2 Kilo, back to 16.
Kilo 2 Kilo, back to 16, Cessna 714 Uniform Fox.
Alright, so at this point we can start thinking of slowing it down. So I just, pull that out. And then twist that in slowly.
Cessna 7 Kilo Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles inbound of the field. Cessna 2100.
Looking for traffic, 7 Kilo Alpha.
Skyline 41 X-ray, traffic 12 o'clock, 2.5 miles opposite direction, Cessna 1800.
Looking for traffic, 1 X-ray.
Opposite direction.
300 below. Oh man, he's like right at us. Oh, he's 400 below. Just stay, don't descend.
Okay.
Stay here for now. 100 below, he's right next to us.
Traffic's in sight for 7 Kilo.
Traffic.
7 Kilo Alpha, roger.
He's on your side.
Traffic behind them in about 2 miles in trail. Another Cessna inbound 2100.
Looking for traffic, 7 Kilo Alpha.
Alright.
Traffic inside, 4 X-ray.
Skyline 41 X-ray, roger.
Yeah, alright, we're good.
Runway 16 cleared to land.
16 clear to land, 4 X-ray.
Alright, you can turn back behind him and start your base for the final.
Right.
And I'll just pull a little bit more power out since we're coming in for a descent. We're still... Actually, airspeed's alright.
We still need to square it off there and do that, right?
I would just keep going exactly where we're going.
Yeah.
Rather than just do like a dog leg in.
For 7 Kilo Alpha, the next traffic is 12 o'clock, maybe slightly to the 11 side, and a mile now, 2000.
Traffic in sight for 7 Kilo Alpha.
Cessna 3 Victor, traffic heading to the left, northwestbound Cessna 1800 has you in sight.
Have him in sight as well, 3 Victor.
Cessna 3 Victor, number 2, runway 16 clear to land.
Number 2, 16 clear to land, 3 Victor.
Sears 2 Tango Delta, say parking.
Hangar 5.
Sears 2 Tango Delta, right turn,
Yeah, you
30,
can start,
Lima Delta
right?
parking.
Yep, go for it.
Right turn 30 Lima Delta parking, 2 Tango Delta.
Cessna 4 Uniform Foxtrot, runway 16 clear for takeoff. Cessna 2 miles out for your runway.
Clear to take off, runway 16, Cessna 714 Uniform Fox.
Yeah, base lag is more of 80.
Just keep aiming to the right.
Okay.
Because we don't need to go out, just come back in. Like, we'll still make our track and wood.
Yeah.
Alright, we're below 120. Cool, hit it.
Executive Tower, Skyhawk 3533 uniform is 10 miles to the west, inbound full stop with Oscar.
Skyhawk 3533 uniform, Executive Tower, ident.
33U.
33 uniform, ident, observe 10 miles west, enter right downwind, runway 16.
Right downwind 16, 3533 uniform.
Executive Tower, Archer 2817 Delta with Oscar.
Alright, dump the rest.
Archer 2871 Delta, Executive Tower, ident. Archer 71 Delta, ident, observed 1 miles northwest of the field. Enter right base runway 16.
We'll enter right base runway 16. 17 Delta.
17, roger. Archer 17 Delta, traffic ahead and to the right appears to be southbound, altitude indicates 1,000.
Alright, we'll take Lima 3.
We got the traffic inside.
Roger.
Hangar 11, 441 X-ray.
Skyline 401 X-ray, right turn, Lima 3, Yankee Delta, cross 12 to parking.
Lima 3, Yankee Delta, cross 12 for Hangar 11. One on the taxiway. Let me stop here.
Executive Tower, 91 Hotel Lima, 10
Here.
northwest inbound for full stop.
After landing, cloud flaps open.
Runway 16.
Straight in 16, 100.
After track, down that.